Hey guys, it's your chaplain coming in live from the Newman Center. Have you ever had a closet that was just so full of stuff that for 4 years you didn't even feel like cleaning it out? Yeah, we had one of those at the Newman Center here at the end of the hallway. And well, since there's not much going on here, thought now is the time. So I thought, like an hour, I'll bust through this closet, clean it out. Well, like 45 minutes later, I'm still pulling stuff out of the closet, and here we have the results. How much stuff can actually fit in one closet? You would be amazed. But the thing is, when we clean out closets, we find all sorts of stuff. We find things that we really don't need, like these 4 projector screens. Why do we need 4 projector screens? We've only used one of them in 4 years, and we used it once. Not to mention this little guy. It's probably from like the 80s. What do we do with this little screen like that? We have TVs bigger than that screen. Sometimes you also find stuff that you can use. Like a couple of these Tupperware containers. Been looking for these things for over a year. Stashed in the corner of the closet. Also find all sorts of other surprises, like this Croquet Set, which I have craftily used one of them for my selfie stick right here. Works in a pinch, but I don't recommend it because it's actually quite heavy. But the thing is, well, Coronavirus 19, COVID-19, whatever we call it these days, it's actually given us a unique opportunity to reflect on our lives and to clean out some of our closets. We all have those closets in our lives, closets in our hearts, full of crap, stuff that we just need to get rid of. But sometimes our lives are so busy we just don't want to. And so, well, now is the time. That is what Lent is for, going through those closets and getting rid of stuff. So here we are today getting rid of stuff. And every time we look at every little bit in the closet, we ask ourselves, why do I have this? Do I need this stuff? Croquet Set, well, it's working great now. Maybe we'll keep it, maybe we'll use it sometime. Haven't used it in a while, but we'll keep it. The famous 4 projector screens over here. Why do we need 4 projector screens? I don't know. Maybe you think, well, 4 projector screens, that sounds great on my resume. Why would I want to throw away 3 of them? Because why would you only want 1 when you can have 4? Sometimes we just have too much stuff in our lives, and it's time to get rid of some things so that we can actually access the closet and use the things that we need. Discover all sorts of fun things like PlayDoh. Who knew we had PlayDoh in our closet? I certainly didn't. We actually have a whole box of it. That's wonderful. And when we clean out our lives, get rid of the clutter, sometimes we find that we have things that we might like to do, hidden talents, hobbies, things that excite us, that give us life, rather than just seeing a full closet and thinking, man, I just don't even want to use anything in there because it's going to take 5 minutes to find what I need. So, COVID-19, a little bit of a nuisance, a lot of a nuisance. It's also a blessing. So clean out your closets. And a little classical music always helps.